Look at these trees, motherfucker! Look at that! Look at that beautiful shit! Look at the clouds! God damn it! Look at that osprey! Fuck! Look at that radio tower! Look at that goddamn fish hatchery! Look at these other trees! Look at that scenery! Fuck! Look at those goddamn white clouds being brilliantly lit by the midday sun! Look at these pine forested knolls and hills with lightly sun-dappled forest floor! That shit is beautiful! Look at the angles hit by the sunlight on the rocky outcroppings of this mountain! Look at it! Look at the field full of purple blossoms! Look at the gentle curve of the Columbia River around the foothills of the Cascade Mountain Range! Look at this! Red-tailed hawk! Or something! God damn it! Look at this beautiful ponderosa pine forest! More blue sky, motherfucker! Look at that meadow full of some kind of white flower that I can't identify! Look at Mount Adams, motherfucker! Look at that shit! It's fucking beautiful! Look at that sun reflecting on the river! Like a fucker! Shit! Look at that fucking island! Look at those beautiful trees! Beautiful fucking trees! Look at that mansion house viewpoint on the precipice of a craggy mountain cliff! Look at these awe-inspiring vistas of the Columbia River!